This is Victoria Wynn with Wynn Modern Art, and I want to show you, see in this shot here, I've got LUXE Crushed Mirror in teal, and you can see the opal powder and why I always recommend it, and I use it so often in my pieces. And then here there's more teal. So I want to show you today that this particular piece is still wet, which means it's perfect time to add your crushed mirror, or this is a new product. It is called Sea Glass Flakes. And all you're gonna do is you figure out, you kind of look at your design and see what you think would be beautiful. For me, I'm gonna apply a little bit right here, and I'm pouring it right into the wet paint. No special adhesives. It's a pouring medium with the acrylic mixture, and it will set beautifully. And then I got a little wild earlier today, and I did something that I really love, which is this two-tone right here. So in this image, you can see the opal powder up here, and that is the teal crushed mirror. And then I've added some of those new sea glass chips. So if you'd like to be on the pre-order list for those, let me know, because I am getting some in stock today. It's just not on the website. So if you want to get on in early, just email me, victoria@winmodernart.com. But anyways, so that's how we use the crushed mirror. There's multiple different ways, but this is one of my favorite ways.